Dogecoin has gone bananas. It's going up like crazy. And today we're going to be talking about some price points that I have in mind for Dogecoin. So let's jump right into it. As you can see here, Dogecoin is at almost 8 cents. I think last night it touched 8 cents, but it's up 6.78% today. It's honestly one of the biggest runners as of right now. Dogecoin and Ethereum. Ethereum's sitting at 1,500, but we're gonna focus on Dogecoin today. So Dogecoin has been pumping. We love Dogecoin. It's been great. The important thing that I'm watching in Dogecoin is this trend line that I've drawn. So it has held this trend line for over a year, since May of 2021, when it hit about 75 cents. I think it was around 74 cents. But Dogecoin hit that peak right there, the all-time high, and it's honestly just held that as resistance, this trend line, for up until now. Basically, we had a few wicks, as you can see right here. But for the most part, we have had it rejected off it several times until now. You can see right here, let me zoom in just a little bit. We have broken through that, I call it a bull flag. A lot of people might not call it a bull flag, but I'm calling it a bull flag. We have broke through it and are looking to go up, honestly. It has some good volume. This is on the daily chart. You can see right here it has some volume. The only thing that's kind of concerning is it's pretty high on the RSI. We are sitting at a 78 on the RSI. I'm gonna draw this little line over here just so you guys can see. So we're sitting at a 78, 79 on the RSI, and you can see like right there we almost hit it and then we rejected back down. Let's scroll back a little bit right here as well, and that's when Dogecoin was at 35 cents before dropping down to 19 cents and then ranging in that area for a bit before it broke down. Also right here, when Dogecoin hit its all-time high, we did have bearish divergence right there, because in the RSI we had a high right here when Dogecoin hit 45 cents, and then we had a lower high on the RSI, signaling bearish divergence, signaling get the heck out of there. Anyways, so that is a little concerning for me, the RSI. But from a macro perspective, I do like the situation Dogecoin is in, because it's in a bull flag. You can see right back here, I've drawn these for the past year. And if you've been following me, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But every single time Dogecoin plays out in this bull flag, so we had a flag right here. As soon as it broke, it pumped up. It waited till the very end to pump up. And these are on weekly candles, so this is a long time, This is 1,140 days right there for it to pump. And from the all-time high to when it broke out again, that was 1,043 days. So we might range a little further. We might range till right here, which would be in May of 2023, 2024, somewhere right there. But maybe this bull flag's different. Maybe this one's a little shorter. Maybe it's not gonna have as an explosive move as these ones have been, but maybe it is gonna have a good move up. So remember to stay tuned for the last part of this video, because it's very important that you know the news of what's going on and what exactly is pumping the price of this. Also, if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button. So let's look at some price targets, right? So psychological levels, obviously with Dogecoin, is going to be like 10 cents, because it's 10 cents. It's a psychological level. So I'm going to put one right there, about 10 cents, right? What I see from these support and resistance areas is this is going to be an area to break. So about 8.5 cents, somewhere around there. That's going to be a tough area to break, because we've had resistance right there, support and resistance, and then we had that right back here. We had resistance. It touched that exact line. So I would look for it to be pretty tough to break that level. It might go up to it, bounce around for a little bit, drop back down, and then blast through it. But that's going to be an area to watch. Be about 8.5 cents. Next one would be the 10 cents, because it's a psychological level. I would also look for about right here, which would be 11 cents or just over 11 cents because we had some support right here. We didn't really have as much support and resistance right here, but we did touch it one time right there. And with these little wicks, like that one almost came down. It's super important to watch those. Another level I would watch is probably, let's put it right there, 13 cents. Tons of support and resistance right there. Tons right there. Even these wicks are holding it as support, so that's an important level as well. 13 cents. This is more of like the short term or the next couple weeks. Obviously, we can do long term, 19 cents. That might not even be that long, to be honest. Tons of resistance support right there. 19 cents is super important. Another level would be 32 cents because we have the highs right here, right? Wicked up there, drop back down. For now, those are what I would watch. Specifically that 8.5 cents. If we can blast through the 8.5 cents and continue upwards, the momentum might change and we might get a push upwards. But be very cautious now because since we broke through, it's very common for cryptos, stocks, whatever, to come down and retest this trend line and then continue upwards. So I could honestly see Doge going down a little bit before it comes up and tries to break through that level, that 8.5 cents level. Let's look at the news articles. Why is this coin pumping? Why is Dogecoin pumping? Dogecoin soars as Elon Musk's Twitter deal nears completion. Yep. As soon as he announced that Elon Musk was walking in the doors, the price of Dogecoin went through the roof, went up 20 or 30%. As you can see here, we had a 17% gain. Elon Musk visits Twitter. This is when the coin started pumping super hard. When Musk visits the Twitter headquarters, Doge was pumping insane. So that happened. So he'll finalize the social media company acquisition at 5 p.m. on Friday. Can you imagine what's going to happen to Dogecoin on that? But also this might be a buy the rumor and sell the news type of event. Though Musk's crypto plan for Twitter are uncertain, Dogecoin has gained 15% over 24 hours. It's actually gone up more than that. It was like 20 to 30% in 24 hours. So it has been just blasting through some levels. And I told you guys about it a while ago. So it's kind of crazy that he is actually buying Twitter, considering he's buying it for $44 billion. But it could be a good thing. He's always said that he wants to accept Dogecoin as tip in Twitter. So we're going to have to see if that does actually play out. Does that actually happen? But if you type in Dogecoin news on Google, all you see is parabolic move up, 17% gain. We looked at that one. Elon Musk. It's competing with Ethereum for the biggest gainers. Anyways, a lot of people, since Dogecoin is a meme coin and it pumped really hard, a lot of people are actually going to be looking into Shiba, right? Shiba. It has not gone up nearly as much as Doge, but I personally think a lot of profits will go from Dogecoin into Shiba. It's my personal opinion, but it seems like people would do that because once these meme coins start popping, they look for other meme coins like Shiba and some other ones too. But the original one is Dogecoin. Thanks for following along. That's my TA on Dogecoin for as of right now. I'll keep you updated on what I think the markets are going to do and what Dogecoin specifically will do with this whole Twitter accusation. So don't forget to subscribe and I'll keep you posted. Peace.